Avoid these 7 mistakes when rolling over 401k to Gold IRA. Rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA can be a powerful way to diversify and protect your retirement savings. However, it's crucial to approach this process carefully. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are the 7 most common mistakes to avoid when making this transition. 1. Failing to understand IRS rules. The IRS has strict regulations for retirement account rollovers, especially with precious metals. Not understanding these rules can lead to unnecessary taxes or penalties. Make sure you're familiar with the IRS requirements and work with a knowledgeable Gold IRA custodian. 2. Choosing the wrong custodian. A Gold IRA requires a custodian to manage your account and ensure compliance with IRS regulations. Picking a custodian based only on low fees can be a mistake. Look for one with experience, reputation, and transparent practices to safeguard your investment. 3. Overlooking fees. Gold IRA rollovers come with various fees, including setup costs, storage fees, and annual maintenance charges. Failing to account for all these expenses can reduce the long-term value of your investment. Be sure to understand all costs before moving forward. 4. Buying non-qualified metals. Not all gold or precious metals are eligible for a Gold IRA. Only certain coins and bars meet IRS standards. Avoid purchasing non-qualifying metals, as they could disqualify your IRA and trigger penalties. 5. Ignoring liquidity. Gold can be an illiquid asset, meaning it may take time and incur costs to sell. If you need quick access to cash, this could be problematic. Consider the liquidity of your gold assets before committing to a full rollover. 6. Mistiming the rollover. The timing of your rollover is crucial to avoid unnecessary taxes. Ensure that the rollover is done directly between the accounts to avoid penalties. An indirect rollover can lead to tax withholdings, which you want to avoid. 7. Lack of diversification. While gold is a valuable asset, it should not make up your entire retirement portfolio. Relying solely on gold could expose you to risks in a fluctuating market. Ensure your portfolio is diversified with a mix of different assets for balanced risk management. Rolling over your 401k to a Gold IRA can be a smart move for protecting your retirement savings, but it's essential to avoid common mistakes. By understanding the rules, choosing the right custodian, and diversifying your investments, you can help secure a prosperous financial future. Always conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making significant decisions. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.